homie. We're in a truck, and we don't care. What could be thought? Okay, we're gonna give you tips
On life. Tip number 1.
Cameraman, please.
Be a man.
Today, we would like to sing a song.
I hate singing.
We're still gonna sing a song for you, and it goes like this.
Tip number 2 about how to live your life.
In reality, I'm only 11.
And I'm 32. We built a very strange relationship.
Don't chug dog. But in reality, I'm only 13. Where does the time go?
Psych, he's Nixon.
My butt is stuck. I'm Paul. And that's Nixon. Wait. It's like, welcome to this episode's Paul and Nixon. Nixon.
This is how you stand up the correct way. All over. I've almost figured it out. Here we go. That's all there is.
This is how to correctly take off a shoe.
That's my shoe. Sir, please. Don't surpass me. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to hell. This the future, cause you can't drive. No, seriously. You can't drive. Ooh, I'm Paul. I think I'm so cool.
Oh,
I am cool.
I'm Nixon. I make smart remarks that everybody laughs at. All the time.
Is it St. Patrick's Day? Cause my name ain't Patrick.
Paul's not such a bad name. What's with Nixon? Like you're some sort of president?
Ooh, at least I'm not a singer.
You watch your
I
tongue.
love you.
Your tongue is red with roses of lies. Are you ready for this?
Your
She's
6
Start off about something
something
that you said. She
doesn't like you very much because you're a loser.
I'm in the room till Tuesday night. Going off about
something that she did right. Ooh, that was
I do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Where's
Jump in the bathroom, peeing on the ceiling.
Welcome back to How to Be Paul and Nixon. I'm Nixon and I'm Nixon. Welcome back to Be How to Paul and Nixon. This is a truck. Vroom, vroom.
We're Paul and Nixon. Subscribe.
And this has been Q&A with Paul and Nixon. Oh, wait a second.
It's like, you belong with me. That one? Sure. Ready? I probably don't know the whole. Okay.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
That was a real truck noise.